Joey Freeze. Welcome to Sounds Like Country. We're hanging out with the greatest. It's Coup de Grace. We're going to start out with the big guy over here, Matt.
I'm the lead singer. My name is Matt Martindale. On the fiddle is Nick Worley.
He's also going by Dave this evening.
That's right.
Sure.
And?
Fish Hunt on the drums.
My nickname's too long.
Yeah, we can't even give you your nickname. Paul in the hall buzz all the way. Paul Field, your ringtail in the hill. Bass goes to Baker.com. Kelly Mooney Turner on the lead guitar over there. Kelly was an engineer in Slayton, Texas. Not going to tell you how he got his nickname. Not going to go into that.
What is his nickname?
Kelly Mooney Turner.
Oh, really? That's the nickname? It's not the real name?
Mooney, yeah. His parents did not
I
give
think we
him.
already know.
Yeah. You know, this is our deal. This is the greatest thing that anyone could ever ask to get to do, is to play something that comes from the heart or do something that comes from the heart. And that's what we're doing now, is we're playing music.
What you gonna do? Yeah, what you gonna do? Oh, mama, what you gonna do? Yeah, what you gonna do? 1, 2, boogaloo. I say,